In this video, I'm going to show you how to design your own custom templates using a brand new feature called the Custom Template Editor. Let's dive right in. First, you'll see a new section called Templates. We're going to visit the Templates page, and you can now design your own video template and include all the elements like the headline, subheadline, captions, progress bar, and fully configure the way it looks. Let's go ahead and jump right in. First, I'm going to create a brand new template. At the moment, we currently only have video to video templates. So what that means is if you're starting with a video, whether it's a live stream or a video from YouTube or Facebook, and you want to create clips, we currently allow you to design your own templates and use it with those kind of content. The audio to video is coming soon. The first thing you got to choose is whether you want to design a vertical or a square template. So for this demo, I'm going to choose square. Just call it my square template and hit next. Now we're inside our custom template builder. So on the left side, there's a bunch of tabs. The design tab lets you choose which elements that you want to add to your template. So you have option for a headline. You can add a placeholder for a subheadline. You can add some fixed text to your design. You can add some captions. So you would put a placeholder where your captions will go on every video. And you can add a progress bar. So each of these elements can be configured individually. You can lay them out anywhere you like. So by default, it comes with a headline. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. I'm going to change the font to our brand font. Move it up a little higher. Again, all you're doing at this stage is setting up where the headline will go. So for every episode that you publish or every video you publish, the actual title of that video will go in this location. And you have the option to actually customize the way it looks at the end of the video when you hit publish. You can customize exactly what text and really fine tune the look and feel. I'll show you that in a few seconds. So typically you want to add your captions. You can move your video if you wanted to. You can move your progress bar and captions. And each of these elements can be configured. So for example, the captions can be set to any color you want. Progress bar, you can control the color of the progress bar. And let's choose a nice blue. And the color of the background of that progress bar. Let's make it maybe a dark blue or purple. Same here, I can control different things. I can decide what color the font is. And I can also set an outline for that font. And it can be a different color if I want to. So you can really customize the way each element looks by clicking on it and checking the menu across the top. And don't forget, these are just placeholders for the actual title, the actual captions, the actual progress bar. It will be all generated in your final video. Next, we have some elements, we have some shapes that we can add. For example, you can add a shape that, let's say you want to put a color around here, a box around here that's red. And I'm going to send that to the back. So you can have something like this, where your title is overlaid over a background. I'm just quickly on the fly here making stuff up for the template, but you get the idea. I'm going to actually change this to be white so it looks a little bit nicer. Okay, awesome. What's next? We have some emojis. You can add some emojis kind of into your, oops. I'm going to move that video, move this up. Right there, it looks good. I can have an emoji here if I want to. Totally up to you if you want to incorporate different designs in your template. But what's cool here is background. You have an option of choosing the color background or your own hex code for your brand, or choosing one of our backgrounds that we have provided for you. Or you can go to the upload section and upload your own background. And as a bonus, we recently integrated this. You can actually design your background image on Canva or import something that you've already designed from Canva directly into the template builder. So I'm going to click on design on Canva. It's going to take me right to my Canva account. I can design from scratch right here, a brand new background, or I can go into my own content, all my designs, and choose something I've done before. Maybe I'll just remove all this. So I can choose a design I've done before. And let's say I want to use this as my background. When I hit publish, it will take my image from Canva and make it my background image on my template. Boom, there we go. Okay, so now my captions don't look so good, so I'm going to make them white just so they're more visible. Maybe even throw in a nice shape behind it, just so that they appear a little nicer. Actually, no, white's good. We're good. Okay. Next, I'm going to, you can even add animated GIFs if you want to. I don't know. There's just fun little things that you can do. I encourage you to play around, but to be honest, I like to keep it simple: headline, video, progress bar, and captions, and a nice background image. Okay. And then we're done. We just close it off. It automatically saves the template. It's right here. Now, step number 2 is you want to go to your workflow. So this, again, these templates only work when you're repurposing a video into another video. So a video or a live stream converted into a clip, for example. You want to repurpose that into a square clip, then you can use the custom templates. So if I enter this workflow, for example, it takes my YouTube videos and goes to Dropbox. If I say go into my workflow and go to the settings, we normally, by default, we have these 3 options: original, vertical, square. But then you'll see a new button called My Templates. If I click there, I can see all my templates. Choose the one I just designed, and I want to make sure the captions are enabled because I'm going to burn the captions in, and hit save. Okay, now, this is where the fun part is. If I go into one of my snippets, and I'm going to go and hit publish, I can see exactly what it's going to look like. I can see my title. It looks a little bit weird, so I'm going to make it a little bigger. There we go. It was just the outline text. It was too small. So you can fine tune the size of your snippet. Oh, that's a very big font. So I'm just going to fine tune the size of the font. So what happens is it automatically takes the title from my snippet and adds it into that placeholder we created in our template. And you have the ability to control what that looks like. So if you like it on 2 lines, 1 line, increase the font, decrease the font, totally cool. Well, it's a little bit, let's refine that. What else you can do? You can take this and make it bold or make it underlined. So you can actually customize individual words within your headline. This doesn't look so good because I'm not a graphic designer. Actually, if I remove the outline, I think that would look good. Let's see. There we go. That looks way better. Okay, awesome. So you get the idea. So in the publish window for your particular episode, you see your thumbnail of your video, and you can actually move things around if you wanted to. If you wanted to fine tune the title, move the captions slightly, or in this video, you want to change it up, you can put the progress bar a little lower. You know, whatever you want to do, you can customize on a per video basis when you hit publish, and you'll see exactly what it's going to look like before you publish. You can even use design on Canva to pull in a new background right from this window that you can actually use for this particular episode specifically. All right, let's do this. Hit publish now. All right, it's processing. And it's done. Let's go check out what the video looks like on Dropbox. Here we go. We've got the title. We've got the special editing in the title. We have our captions, progress bar. Just like that, we've created a video using the template that we designed that looks great. And you have full control of what the design looks like. And the great thing is, if I want to publish my other snippet, it's going to look exactly the same. On brand, ready to go. Automatically, my new title is already added here for this particular snippet, but I still have the flexibility to change things around. I can change emojis. I can move things around. So you do have flexibility to change things around on a individual episode when you publish it, or you can just use a template and let it do its thing.